For the next station, the supplies you will need are some Scrabble tiles, some balloons of various colors, some paper that will match the balloon colors, and I think that's it. So for this one, the last clue told them to go to the Scrabble area and try and find out which adjective had 8 points. So what I did was I made up some words and put each one on a different color paper. And just to throw them off the trail, water actually has 8 points, but it's not an adjective. So I had some of the students realize that. After they looked at it all, you have words like code, which doesn't have 8. Plain is an adjective, but it doesn't add up to 8 points by counting up the little point markers. So the actual answer was tasty. It's an adjective and it's worth 8 points, and I actually ended up using up all my red balloons, so that's why I don't have one here. But what you would basically do is in the corner of the room, I had balloons of all these colors blown up, but the red one is the only one that contained the next clue. So what you could do if you had more time is you could put other things in the other balloons, like do 20 jumping jacks or something to kind of make them eat up some time without realizing that they picked the wrong answer. So after they do the jumping jacks, you could have them report to you, and then you could tell them, guess what, you picked the wrong one, you guys got tricked. So go back and try again. It also, we were worried that some of the kids would notice that the red one was the only one that contained paper, so we thought this would also throw off their trail. But to be honest, the kids were so frantic that they really didn't take the time to try and figure out which balloon had a paper in it, and plus they didn't know until they had solved it what to do. So in the instructions, you could have an instructions sheet that would tell them that the colors matched the balloons, but what I did instead was they would just tell me which one they thought was correct, and so I just told them, I asked them what color is the answer on, and I said go pick out the balloon of that color, and your next clue is in there. So if they picked the wrong one, if they got tricked, they would be opening the one that told them to do the jumping jacks. But if they got the correct answer, then that would tell them to go what to do for the next clue for the next station.